I'm trying to do a video. Alright, go lay down. Just like chill for 5 secs. Thanks. Lay down, please. Go lay down. Go lie down. You don't need anything. Hello, lovelies. I'm Gabriella and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about B.Simone's new book that she just released. I ordered it April 6th. And when I ordered, it was her second round. The first round was sold out, I believe. And the second round I ordered, and it just now came in today. So, oh my gosh, she's been selling out of this book. If those of you who don't know, B.Simone is a comedian, an actress. What I take away from her the most, and what struck out to me when I found her, she went from Dallas, Texas at 25 years old. She moved to Atlanta, and at 30 she became a millionaire. And she has her own lipstick line, but she first became, I believe, like a comedian. So she did stand-up, or she still does stand-up. She's done a little bit of acting. She's done, I think, modeling. I know she has a few like songs out. She was just in DaBaby's music video. Anyways, let's just get into it. So she manifested herself a millionaire. I mean, of course, she's manifested her business and everything like that. But anyways, got the book in today. This is supposed to be unboxing for her book, not all about her. I'm just giving you guys a little intro for those of you who don't do that. For those of you who do not know who she is. What was this? I love this packaging. Oh, but of course. God, it's just a book, you guys. Oh my God, it reeks like paper. I love this. I love her. At the beginning when I first watched like her videos and her skits, I was like, bro, she's kind of annoying. Like her voice is really annoying. But now I watch her Baby Girl TV on YouTube, and she's so wise. Like I love watching those videos and just seeing how far she came, and like I said, how wise she is, and just like the advice that she gives. I'm just like, dude, oh my God. So this book was $22, I think, $22, and then with shipping it was $33, or it was like $27, and then it was $33. I don't know, but the total became $33 with shipping. I think she did it on purpose, the number 33. This is the back. Repeat after me. I don't get what I want, I get what I manifest. And then there's some other stuff. You guys can just read this yourself later when you buy the book. Oh my God, I love this. I'm so excited. So everybody, there's my dog in the back. So everybody on social media has been kind of bogus, because they're like, it's such a small book. Well, if you follow her, she said that it's a workbook. This isn't a chapter book. She's freaking B.Simone. She can do whatever she wants. She can charge whatever she wants. This could be 2 pages and she can still charge $33. It don't matter. But anyways, I'm so excited. This is supposed to have her journal entries. I just saw it. Oh my God, that's crazy. Yeah, it's supposed to have her journal entries and stuff like that. It's supposed to be a workbook. So I'm going to start on this tomorrow, May 1st. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. She's awesome.
Then she says people should follow that motivate her. Ooh, Gary Vee, Will Smith. Sarah J. Roberts! I love her. Nick Cannon, Millionaire Mentor. Just Lil Baby, I think. Tyler Perry. Red Table Talk.
Don't make permanent decisions off of temporary emotions. That's the truth. I respect her. literally is self-made. And she said in her video Road to Millionaire how she's like, I'm not self-made. You know, my friends helped me, so and so helped me, you know, so and so was helping me ship, and just like little things like that that she was thanking, you know, her friends and I think some of her family. And but in my eyes that's self-made, because she started with nothing. She had no money and she moved to Atlanta. She made a name for herself and she hit $1 million. So to me that's self-made, not coming from a family or having mommy and daddy already had a name for you and you just hopped onto someone else's fame. To me this is self-made, but she's so humble that she said she's not self-made because she had so many people helping her. So I love her, but I would love to meet her someday. She just like, oh. It's not like that she's like a celebrity and that I'm fangirling over her. She's just so, I don't know. She's just so like cool. So yeah. This is the unboxing of the book. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'm gonna do a part 2 and my review on her book and what I think. So thanks everybody for watching.